Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fitra Ali Ramadan, and I will explain about my draft proposal about the impact resulting from playing League of Legends on English speaking skills. Okay, now I will explain about the background of the problem. The development of advanced technology very rapidly in mid 1970s to 1980s made communication and computer systems develop very rapidly. This can happen because of the development of electronics with its amazing discoveries. This makes the technology industry complete to produce massively. The development of the world of communication and computers become one so that it formed a new branch of science which we know now as the Internet. Internet comes from the word interconnected network, which means the relationship of various computer networks in the world that integrate with each other to form a global communication. The Internet is a combination of various LAN and WAN devices that exist in all computer networks in the world, so that a network that is broader and more global in scale is formed. The Internet is an icon of technological developments in the current era of globalization, so this is what makes each individual keep trying to keep up with any existing technological developments, so that knowledge will increase and advance along with the times. Starting from offices to schools, now trying to use the sophistication of the Internet to carry out daily activities, especially now that there are many internet cafes and game centers that are playing centers for young people. In this modern era, online games are no stranger to today's teenagers. In the last 10 years, online games have mushroomed everywhere. So this is supported by the number of internet cafes, especially for gaming in the environment around these teenagers, which offer affordable prices to teenagers. The dedicated gaming internet cafe itself is not like internet cafes in general. They have more regular customers than regular internet cafes. This is what makes gaming internet cafes almost always crowded, not just gaming internet cafes that are popular. However, gadget smartphones are also increasingly sophisticated and offer so many games, both online and offline. Game is something that can be played with certain rules so that there are winners and losers, and usually in a less serious context or for refreshing purposes. Online games are electronic and visual-based games, and of course must be connected to the internet in order to be played. Online games are played using electronic visual media which, if played excessively, can cause eye irritation so that the eyes become tired and feel dry. Today's games are not like previous games. Even the past games could only be played by a maximum of 2 people. Now with rapid technological advances, especially in terms of its internet networks, games can be played by more than 100 people at the same time. Even though the game was originally intended for children, over time game producers competed to make games that specially could only be played by adults, even a few that made it a job and earned income from playing games, by way of become a pro player or becoming a gaming YouTuber. Online game players are usually dominated by students ranging from elementary, junior high, high school, and college students, but not a few adults also play games. Students who play an online game too often will cause them to become addicted to playing the game. Addiction to playing online games will have a negative impact, especially from an academic and social perspective. Even online games also have a big impact, especially on the development of a child and a person's soul, although we can socialize in online games with other players. When students from Indonesia play online games, of course they can meet players from any country. Not infrequently, players from other countries use English as their communication tool so that other players can understand what they are talking about. This is a problem for players who are not fluent in English, including players from Indonesia. Based on the background described above, the researchers are interested in researching the impact of playing League of Legends on English language skill. Okay, the next is limitation of the problem. After identifying the problem, the researcher found the limitation in this study was that the researcher could not meet directly with the sample volunteers. There might be also a problem with the internet connection at the time of the study. Okay, the next is research methodology. The subject of this study were the players of League of Legends from Indonesia and other countries. This consists of 10 peoples. To collect the data, the researcher used interview and observation in-game. Okay, I think that's all from my explanation. Thanks for watching and thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.